Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I'm a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. And in today's video, I want to share with you 5 steps to help you look beautiful and natural with makeup. If you're interested, keep watching. First step to look beautiful with makeup is to take care of your skin. As I mentioned in several of my videos, skincare is very important. So using a toner is a very important step. My favorite one is this one from Vichy, the Perfecting Toner. I use this in the morning and before going to sleep to really remove any dirt and leftover makeup from my skin so my skin can breathe. And also it's very good to prepare as a primer for makeup, because if your skin is clean and toner, it will grab better the product and your skin will look more flawless. So this is the first step that I always do, using a cotton pad, some makeup remover, and making sure my skin is very clean. Then I use my Mineral 89 Skin Booster. This is great to give hydration to your skin. If you are going for a natural look, making sure that your skin is hydrated is the most important step. So this will prepare the skin to absorb my moisturizer. And for the day, I like to use the Vichy Aqua Thermal Moisturizing Cream. This one has SPF 30. This is great to hydrate and protect your skin. So same, I'm just applying on my face to give me that hydration that I need. So once my skin is prepped, the second step is using a concealer. Concealers are our best friends if you use the right color. Concealers are excellent to cover imperfections, to conceal darkness under your eyes, and are excellent to give you an even finish. So for example, for a natural look when you want to have very minimal makeup, using a concealer is your go-to. And the key when using the concealer is to pick one that matches your skin. That way you will neutralize your under eye circles very fast, and if you have any discolorations, any blemishes, it will just blur them out. So if you use a concealer that is too light for your skin, instead of covering the imperfection, is going to highlight the imperfections. So this is my favorite one from CoverGirl. This is my go-to. It's full coverage, but it's very light in texture. And I will apply only on this area in the outer corner. I like to apply on my eyelids, around my mouth, and my chin. And using a beauty sponge, just blend that concealer. I'm going to do half of my face so you have an idea, so you can compare. And as I said, for my everyday makeup, I like to use just concealer. And I applied it in these areas, under my eyes, on my eyelids to brighten, and around my nose and mouth. So just by applying that amount of product, you can see how this area looks brighter and the skin looks more even. If I was to use a concealer that is too light for my skin, as I mentioned, it's going to, you will notice a big difference, and it's not gonna flatter my skin. But since this one blends with my skin color, It's super easy to get that flawless finish without having pretty much nothing on, like just a little bit concealer. And if you need to, just add some extra layer just to help you hide any. The third step is to use cream bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Using cream products will give you a more glowy finish, more natural finish, and is very easy to apply. So for my cream bronzer, I love using the Physician Formula Sculpting Bronzer. For my blush, I use this Milk blush stick that you can use, also use it on your lips and on your eyes, and this illuminator from L'Oreal. So this is the way you do it. If you watch my do's and don'ts video, you will know by now how to properly apply your contour, but here I will just show you a little bit where your temple is. Follow your jawline, your cheekbone, making a C. So I will apply it there. I will apply some on my forehead, since my forehead is a little bit wide. A little bit on my nose, and I will apply on my eyelid, on my crease, the crease of my eye, just to give my eye some definition. For my cheeks, I will smile and apply on the apples of my cheek and on my mobile lid and lips. Finally, the highlighter, just on the highest points of my face, bridge of my nose, and under my brow. So here you can see the placement of these three products: my bronzer, my nose, and the crease of my eye, the blush on the cheeks of my eyes, my eyelids, and the highlight. So now let's blend it, and I will use the same beauty sponge. Just pressing the product. Never swipe the product, just press the product down to melt it to your skin. Smile when blending your blush. And I like to use my fingers to blend my highlight. I'm gonna do the same on the eyes. My fingers to blend on the eyelids. And I'm dragging, see how I'm dragging the product towards my brow, just to give some lifting. What I like about cream products is that they're very versatile and you don't need a lot of them. So with one product you can do your eyes, you can do your cheeks, you can do your lips. For your contour, you can contour your face, contour your eyes. And the highlight, you can use it to highlight and bring some light to your eyes. So it's very versatile and super easy to blend. So here now you can see how this side of my face looks lifted, looks brighter and more healthy. And I'm not wearing any foundation, as you know, just concealing some of the target areas that I needed, and that's it. The fourth step is your brows. Never forget to groom your brows, because the brows are what frames your eyes. And the way to do your brows is always start brushing the hair up, That way you will see which are the spaces that need to be filled in. Using a small pencil, this is from Maybelline, the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. This is very good. And always start sketching the lower part of your brow. And then from the upper part, brush the hair down and start creating little strokes and follow the hair growth. And from the front, just brush the hair upwards, since that's the way the brow grows, the hair grows, sorry. And finally, just brush the hair up again to blend the product. See how easy it is? And you can see the difference, how now my eye looks more put together, more polished, more lifted, and my eye look more awake just by adding my brows. And lastly, since we are not doing shadows or applying eyeliner, mascara is very important. And when I want my lashes to look longer and look fuller, I always use a lash primer. This one is from CoverGirl. So the way you do it, you apply your mascara primer first. It's like a white, a white product, and then you wiggle the product from your roots up. Now I'm just going to apply my black mascara. Make sure you cover all that primer. You don't want to see any white patches. And one trick, oh look at that, look, what a difference. One trick, when applying your mascara, the lower part of your lashes, just brush them outwards, pull the lashes out. That way you will get like cat eye effect, and here's your straight. See the difference? And also add a little bit on the lower lash, and here you have. See the difference between this side and this side? So this is how you can look natural with makeup, and this is, you know, without anything, but you can see right away the difference. And as a bonus step, if you want your makeup to last longer throughout the day, I recommend using a setting powder just under your eyes, your nose, and your forehead. And if you want, you can just add a little bit on your eyelids. Since this is translucent, it won't change what you did with a blush and bronzer, so you don't have to worry, but it will just prevent from creasing on your eyelids. Okay, now let me just finish the other side so you can see the final look. Let me know in the comments below if you like these 5 steps, and see you shortly. Here you have my final look. Follow these 5 steps and you will look natural, beautiful with makeup. And the good thing about it is that you don't have to wear a lot of makeup. If you take care of your skin, if you use the right concealer for you, if you use cream products like bronzer, blush, highlight, you take care of your brows, and use mascara, you will get that no makeup look that will look beautiful all day and will enhance your natural beauty. So thank you once again for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos about beauty, skincare, makeup, and hair. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. See you next time. Bye.